Yes, hello everyone. Welcome to my next Femitech video tutorial. Now, guys, for this episode, gonna actually show you how to install Windows 7. Now, the main purpose for this video is to actually ensure that persons out there get an opportunity to be using Windows, not Windows 7, Microsoft Office 7 with the key. A lot of persons might have the software, but in terms of having the key for it, so the serial keys there. We'll be definitely posting it in the description section of the video. So of course, in terms of getting the file, you can download the file. So this is the folder that contains the different files for it. Just simply click on setup. Once you double click on setup, then you will be prompted with this box. Definitely it will ask you to put in the serial number. That's a serial number that actually works. Then click on continue. Gonna tick I accept terms of the agreement. Click on continue. Then simply click the installation tab. So install now. So as for this process, it will take anywhere between 2 to 5 minutes. All depends on the speed of your PC. So the process is about a bit more than halfway. I've been installed like for the past 3 minutes. So as I said, guys, this installation process, it all depends on the speed or the processing speed of your PC. Definitely having more RAM and faster processor will definitely speed up this process. Right, so this is the Windows Microsoft Office 7 now complete, so has been successfully complete. You just simply close it, and in terms of trying to launch it, then basically you just now need to look for software itself. Simply go to the all program section, and you will see Microsoft Office, all that comes with it, Word, Excel, Access. So this is how you install Microsoft Office 7. Again, in the description section of the video, will be definitely giving you the serial keys. So once again, guys, if you're new to my YouTube channel, please remember to click on the subscription button. Of course, leave your comments in the comment section of the video and share the video. So once again, guys, thanks for viewing. Femitech is out of here.